This is a company that runs on a single command. I built it around Andrej Karpathy's idea of an LLM-wiki. Every employee's responsibilities, workflows, and operational context captured in one place, so the system understands how the work is organized before execution begins. From this digital twin workspace, I issue one instruction, and it decomposes into specialized skills, one for each business function.
Each skill handles its own domain, then hands its output to the next agent until the workflow is complete. Codex is the default execution engine. When another model fits the task better, OpenClaw and Hermes are reached through a bridge. The work routes to whatever runs it best.
Nothing sensitive moves on its own. When an operation needs security permissions, it stops and asks. A human simply approves the request, and from there the agents take over. The gate order never changes. Checks first, the human last.
Everything you just watched, the agents, the workflows, the way one command gets decomposed, I'll teach you how to build it yourself, and most of it is completely free. Head to the workshop homepage. You'll find a prompt lab to sharpen how you talk to these models, an agent library with the exact roles and personas I run in production, cheat sheets, an idea factory, and hundreds of resources. No cost, no email wall. This isn't magic, and it isn't gate-kept. And when you're ready to go further, to build your own agent team live hands-on, with me in the room, that's the Builder's Table Workshop. We sit down together and build something real, start to finish. No slides, no hype. Whether you come for the free resources or a seat at the table, it all starts in one place, the workshop homepage.
And the role changes. The human shifts from doing the work to managing, approving, and supervising the system. The company keeps running, and now I can operate its infrastructure from anywhere.